Watch the full video please.
What's up? I know y'all been trying to order 26 King Wavy products like pomade, shampoos, moisturizers, and oils and stuff like that. Yeah, 26 King Wavy, he been selling out pretty quickly, so that's why I be telling y'all, man, use my discount code and try to get your hair care products ASAP. My discount code is Juice15. Use it to get 15% off and do it as fast as possible. You have to do it ASAP because you're gonna sell out like that. With that being said, man, go check out the website, man.
They know that I'm never lagging. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
In my heart, hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas.
Alright, so sorry y'all can't hear it, but it's a green screen. Y'all can't really hear the original, but I'm definitely gonna have him tagged in my description. He gonna try to get waves, alright? His young curly though. I ain't even gonna lie. Where you at, bro? Why you in the shower though, bro? You could have did that jump. Bro, I see no lather, bro. This is a continuation of the last video I did on this dude, man. His hair is curly, right? I mean, you already know his waves gonna look nice when they lay down. Curls laid down are waves. But what got me mad is there's no lather. He gonna rinse his hair out with no do-rag on, and the conditioner not lathering. I think that's conditioner, but the conditioner not lathering up. And I just did a video on how you can make a conditioner lather. That's why I was so disappointed. His waves is definitely in there, but he ain't get them with hard work, dedication. He just already had them. That's why I'm mad. Hey, man, you trying to scare me? The heck was that? Get that lather going. Great lather, bro. Sheesh. Let me see that brush work. Alright, good. Rag up, rinse, unrag. Curls to waves in 15 seconds. I mean, you already got curls, so I know your waves gonna look dope. But I just want to see the process. I want to see great lather. If you don't got great, where's the lather? Where's the lather? Can you try waves on him? You really about to try to give little bro some waves? Make sure the brush is like soft though. Don't try no hard jump. Wait, hold up. I thought we was about to do a washing style. What's going on? Oh man, we got the wave grease. That's a lot. Hey, is that a soft? I hope that's a softie. And she putting a do-rag on him. Yo, she know what she doing. Good job, ma. We not gonna get a result? Come on. Hey, man. Man, we got a part 2 in the building, man. We got a part 2. I want to see this. I want to see this. Hey, you looking so cool with that do-rag on. Let me see the unrag. This was seriously overnight. Oh, yo. That's nice. Yo, Too Tall 20, man. He giving his whole family some waves, man. This is other nephew. How many nephews you got, man? Part 2. Yo, you got a problem with lather, Too Tall? Why you call your name Too Tall though? You got a problem with lather? Rinse the shampoo out, man. Come on, man. Let me just see the results, man. That's decent, man. That's decent. How you feeling, nephew? You like your waves? Uncle gave. Yes, sir. We got another curls to wave. Let's see. First, you gotta wet your. Yo, this dude just skipped 10 steps. Or maybe I just blinked too, bruh. Did I blink too long? Cause I ain't see him wear his hair. How did you get your waves to be like that, bro? I just saw. What just happened? What happened? All right, bro. About to do an unrag. Let me see what you're working with. I definitely see him through the do-rag. So I already know he's spinning. Woo! Just got a wolf now, my boy. Wolf, cause I see some spots in there. You can see your scalp still. You know, just wolf. You know, get your waves deeper. But you definitely in there though. Gotta get that. Best waves on TikTok, huh? I'll be the judge of that. If you're not a 10, bro, you ain't the best wave on TikTok, man. Hey, bro, I can see that fork from a mile away. That's an 8. Yeah. YPB just came out of nowhere and just dropped one of the best lathers of 2021. Y'all see that? Tell me y'all see that. Y'all see it, right? Yo. That lather is immaculate. Alright? Get like PB. Get like him. Giving nephew waves. Oh, this about to be fun. Can't wait to see this one. Make sure you get that lather to look dope, man. What type of brush you using, bro? Hey, nephew, if your waves don't come... Nephew, I'm telling you this right now. If your waves don't come out nice, I ain't gonna be mad at you. I'm gonna be mad at your uncle, alright? Cause he done messed you up already. I ain't seen no lather. It was a little bit there, but then you... Alright, man. I just want to see the unrag. Make sure that junk clean. Move your head out the way, man. Ah, come on. Oh, snap. Never mind. I ain't see it the first time. But then when he gave me the close-up... Okay, nephew spinning. Curls to waves in 60 seconds. Hey, I know I reacted to this already. Alright? Don't judge me. I want to react to it again. Let's get it. Maybe I might have learned something along the way. That's probably different. So, oh, he got the lather going all over the place, from the roots to the ants. Let me see how the brush go. Yo, he just chilling like, yo, I'm brushing in with that lather, boy. That lather looking good. What you talking about? Great lather, boy. Yo, he been brushing the whole video. You know, I wouldn't blame him if he gave me a part 2, cause yeah, I know it's gonna be a part 2, cause the video got like 5 more seconds left, and he ain't unrag. It's cool though. It's cool. I ain't mad at you. Part 2. Alright, y'all. So after I finished watching the A-Rod haircut video, I keep on thinking that he's the best barber in the world. I don't know. His haircuts be looking too nice. I think I want to cut by A-Rod. Alright, that's Brownie Blends right there. He one of us. He one of the waivers. And he getting cut by A-Rod. And that just look 4K. That haircut looks better than the video quality. That haircut looks 5K. Hey man, big shout out to Too Tall for giving me a follow. That's his name, right? Too Tall 20. Shout out to you for the follow, man. Let's give your little bro some waves. First, you gotta wet the hair. Yo, here you go with that brush, man. If you don't go get your 2.6 King Wavy brush and use my discount code JEW15, dang, man. Let me see how them waves gonna turn out though. Decent lather. You gotta get the lather. You gotta get the. Let's see the unrag, man. Oh,
Dripping, yo.
man.
Making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter.
Yo, 360 butter cracked me up, bro. Yo, that wasn't a gang sign, y'all. If y'all think it was a gang sign, it wasn't. That's just how my hands are shaped while I'm doing my lay down method. Hey, man, this my dude, bankroll_JY. Do me a favor, go follow him, all right? He said he been going through it. But I want you to know, JY, G-Ja, it ain't gonna last forever, all right? Whatever you going through, it's gonna be over with real soon. Keep your head up, man. Let's do this washing style. Wait, what you starting off with? It's not lathering, so is that shampoo or is that conditioner? You don't start off with conditioner or you just wetting your hair. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Yo, I was about to go crazy on you, JY. Hey, y'all follow him yet? Y'all go follow JY, man. Put that shampoo in there. Wait. It's still not lathering up, JY. What's going on? What's going on, JY? Okay, that's the third time. All right, third time's the charm. Let's see the lather. Yes, sir. Ooh, let's get it, boy. Now get that brush session in, man. That dope lather. Oh, my God, that lather. Oh, man. That's just going to turn out. Wait. Okay. Let's see the... Woo! Here I am scrolling down my timeline. DeVell Perry pops up on my For You page. His waves have reached Super Saiyan, yo. Yo, this is my favorite waver right here. This is my dude. Favorite waver on TikTok. But, Mom, I want you to do me a favor. Let his hair grow. Just keep it growing. And then try to lay his hair down. That's just going to be dope, yo. Alright, y'all. This is first ever washing style. Alright? So y'all don't come crazy at him in the comments. But if this is your first washing style and your hair like that,
Great lather, my boy.
are you even waving or you just got your hair out? I'm confused. But yeah, let's see
Great
how your
lather,
things
my
turn out, man.
boy.
I don't think you've been brushing, bro. I think this your first time getting waves too, right? You kind of like curls to waves, just giving it a try. Let me see.
You know a beginner, bro.
He had waves before he had to. Those not the first.